Hello student, today I am going to solve NIS 331 Sociology question paper of February 2021. This question paper consists of 34 questions. Section A has 24 questions and section B has 5 plus 5 questions. Attempt all questions from section A and attempt only one option from section B. Maximum marks is 100 and passing marks is 30. Time duration is 3 hours. Section A 1. Which community did W.H.R. Rivers study? A pastoral community of Nilgiris, the Todas. 2. What do you understand by case study? Case study is a method of studying social phenomena through the analysis of individual case. The case may be a person, a group, a society, or any other unit of social life. 3. Who is the founder of Zoroastrianism? Prophet Zarathustra. 4. Distinguish between society and community. Society is a group of people with a common territory and culture interacting with one another, while community is a group of people living in the same place or having a particular characteristics in common. This is the basic difference between society and community. 5. Differentiate between norm and value. Values are general guidelines while norms are specific guidelines. Value are general standard which decide what is good and what is bad. Norms are rules and expectations that specify how people should and should not behave in various social situations. 6. Mention any two characteristics of social system. Social system has the characteristics of pattern, order and balance. Social system is not an integrated whole but putting together of different units. This coming together does not take place in a random and haphazard manner. 7. Describe briefly the concept of melting pot. A melting pot is a metaphor for a society where many different types of people blend together as one. America is often called a melting pot. Some countries are made of people who are almost all the same in terms of race, religion, and culture. In a melting pot, differences become less important than unity. 8. Name any two tribes found in central India: the Konth, the Santal, the Gond, the Muria. 9. List any two reasons for the decline of Buddhism from India: lack of royal support, Buddhist doctrine of non-violence, inventions of the Hunas, Shankaracharya's preaching against Buddhism, opposition of the Rajputs, conquest of India by the Turks. 10. Enumerate the major contribution of Auguste Comte. According to the Comte, the knowledge of a human has three branches. The understanding and thinking of a human go through three different stages. It was his theory of human thinking, evolution, and development. This theory was called the law of three stages, which is also considered major contribution in this field. 11. Discuss the relationship between sociology and psychology. Pause the video and see the answer. 12. Describe the importance of norms. Pause the video and see the answer. 13. List out the characteristics of association. 1. It consists of a group of individuals. 2. The people are organized. 3. There are certain rules and regulations for the conduct of activities of association. 4. These people carry out activities to attain certain specific goals. 14. Discuss the relationship between cooperation and conflict as social continuum. Pause the video and see the answer. 15. How caste is different from class? Explain. Pause the video and see the answer. 16. Highlight the role of elections in social change. Besides law, the right to vote and the role of elections are also important factors of the social change. The right to vote stimulates interest in public affairs and is an important means of imparting education to masses. The parties and the leaders take this opportunity to educate the electorate on important political, economic, and social issues. Besides this, it inculcates a sense of self-respect and responsibility among the citizens. 1. Elections themselves throw up a variety of issues which highlights the problems, goals, and objectives concerning the socio-economic condition of the village, state, and the country at large. 2. Elections are a form of political communication between the government and the governed. They are means by which the ruler becomes sensitive to the demand of the people. This two-way awareness and communications between the electorate and the elected leads to social change. 17. Explain the significance of kinship. Kinship is significant in several ways for individuals as well as groups. It provides identity and status, social and psychological security, and definite pattern of behavior and roles to individuals. Kinship is the basis of group formation. It enhances group solidarity, organizes the group against enemies, controls religious and social interaction, including marriage, and regulates gathering on rituals and religious ceremonies. Inheritance of status, property, and family name is decided on the basis of kinship. Kinship group help their kinsen in securing political power, occupational benefits, and economic gains. 18. Explain the effects of environment on human society. Pause the video and see the answer. 19. Enumerate the preachings of Sant Kabir. Liberal Hindus and Muslims see him as the champion of Hindu-Muslim unity. However, Kabir outrightly rejected the dichotomy of these religions. For him, there could be no real religion. He warned people against searching the truth in holy book. He also rejected the value of yogic exercise in reaching God. He believed in a simple and natural life. He himself wore cloth and like any other weaver, sold it in the market. For him, religious life did not imply a life of idleness. All men should work, earn their living, and help one another. One should not accumulate money because accumulations would give rise to corruption. Therefore, wealth should remain in circulation. Kabir's view of the world is expressed in simple thought and in the language of the people. 20. Write an essay on agents of socialization. Specific groups carry out socialization. We call this agent of socialization. Our societies release on many important agents of socialization. 1. Family. 2. Neighborhood. 3. Institution. 4. Society. 5. Reward and punishment. 21. Describe the role of law as formal means of social control. Pause the video and see the answer. 22. Describe the main teachings of Jainism. Ahimsa, non-injury to any living being. Sunarta, not to speak untruth. Artuja, not to take what is not given. Aprigraha, not to be attached to worldly possessions. Brahmacharya, chastity. 23. Discuss the features of the caste system. Features of caste system. 1. Segmental division of society. 2. Hierarchy. 3. Restrictions on food, drink, and smoking. 4. Endogamy. 5. Purity and pollution. 6. Occupational association. 7. Social and religious disabilities and privileges of a few sections. 8. Distinction in custom, dress, and speech. 24. Write an essay on the nature and extent of diversity in India. Pause the video and see the answer. Section B, Option 1, 25. When was the Widow Remarriage Act passed? 1856. 26. Define feminism. Feminism is both a concept and practice. Broadly defined, it is a state of awareness that women are oppressed and exploited in all social institutions. Feminism does not just stop at recognizing that there is oppression of women. It believes in raising consciousness and initiating action for bringing about change. They raise questions and resort to protest when women's rights and self-respect are hurt. 27. Mention any two reasons for the existence of female infanticide in India. 1. Poverty. 2. Dowry. 28. List out the different type of behavior as cases of sexual harassment at workplace. Physical contact are advancing in such a manner as to suggest sexual contact. Request for sexual favors. Use of sexist language. Displaying pornographic literature. Any physical or oral act which includes unwanted sexual elements. 29. Comment who is an empowered woman. Has the freedom to make choices and take decisions in matters relating to her life as well as society at large. is not a victim of violence either in her family or any other social institutional setting, can live her life in such a way that her self respect and dignity are protected, has equal access to opportunities in all spheres of activity, is in a position to make use of the laws formulated for safeguarding her honor and rights. Option 2 25. Where is the Sun Temple located in India? Konark, Odisha. 26. Name any two prominent academic established by Government of India for the development of art and culture. The Sahitya Academy, the National Academy of Letters, Sangeet Natak Academy, Academy of Music, Dance and Drama, and Lalit Kala Academy, Academy of Fine Arts. 27. Define the term cultural lag with examples. The term cultural lag refers to a situation when ideas, values, and norms and beliefs used to regulate social life do not keep pace with changes in the technology of society. For example, development of nuclear weapon by a number of nations without an acceptable international system of norms and values to regulate, control, and use. In this case, a change in technology is yet to develop norms for its use. This is to say, a change in values lags behind a change in the technological field. 28. Write a brief note on the role of mass media in diffusion of culture. Pause the video and see the answer. 29. Describe the contribution of Indian scientists. Pause the video and see the answer. Share and subscribe.